Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Doom on anything. The original Doom's source code was released many years ago, opening up a world of possibilities for enthusiasts. This means that with a little ingenuity and the right tools, you can enjoy this iconic first-person shooter on a surprising array of devices, from the very small to the very large. It's a testament to the game's enduring legacy and the creativity of its fans. To get started, you'll first need the original Doom WAD files, which contain the game's data. These are typically found in the full game. Next, consider using a source port, which is a modified game engine that improves compatibility and adds modern features. Depending on your chosen device, you might also need specific emulators or custom firmware to enable the game to run smoothly. Always ensure you have a reliable internet connection for any necessary downloads. The community has achieved some truly remarkable feats, porting Doom to an incredible range of devices. Imagine playing on a graphing calculator, a smartwatch, or even a smart refrigerator. There are documented cases of the game running on a digital camera and even a modified pregnancy test. These unconventional setups often rely on clever engineering and custom firmware to bypass hardware limitations and bring the classic shooter to life. Ready to try it yourself? Begin by researching online communities dedicated to your specific device. They often provide detailed guides and necessary files. For beginners, it's wise to start with more common and well-documented ports before tackling highly unconventional hardware. Remember to always back up your device's data before installing any custom software or firmware. The Doom modding community is vast and supportive, offering plenty of help and resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.